Hey everyone, if you regularly install operating systems or use bootable USB drives, Vent can save you a lot of time. Instead of formatting your USB drive every time, Vent lets you simply copy ISO files onto the drive and boot directly from them. In this full guide, I'll show you exactly how to install Vent step by step. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and visit the official Vent website. Download the latest Windows version of Vent and save the zip file to your computer. Once the download is complete, extract the zip file using Windows File Explorer or your preferred archive manager. Then open the extracted Ventoy folder. Now plug in the USB flash drive that you want to use with Vent. Remember that installing Vent will erase all existing data on that USB drive, so make sure you've backed up anything important before continuing. Launch the Ventoy application with administrator privileges if required. Verify that the correct USB drive is selected, then click Install. Confirm the warning messages and wait while Vent prepares the drive. Yeah, this process usually only takes a short time. After the installation finishes, open the Vent USB drive in File Explorer and simply copy your operating system ISO files onto it. I mean, you don't need any additional tools to make the drive bootable after Ventoy is installed. To use the USB drive, restart your computer and open the boot menu using the appropriate key for your device. Select the Vent USB drive, then choose the ISO file you want to boot from. The available boot menu key varies depending on your computer's manufacturer, and that's how to install Ventoy. Once it's set up, you can keep multiple ISO files on a single USB drive and boot, whichever one you need, without reinstalling the USB each time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.